sorry I've been sick. I kind of a little bit behind on my video creating and my previewing for you and letting you know what's been happening. I'm going to give you kind of a preview of the subscriptions over there on Coffee. The Coffee site, the most basic membership, always includes a listing, and it's like a base one. This month, the Bohemian, which is the basic one, it's $3.49 a month. It has a junk journal kit that is the most basic junk journal kit that is, it's about 40 pages of mixed media, very neutral background pages, and then ephemera to create your own mixed media journal that is a good base for any mixed media journal. So that's on the most basic level, and then you get all the things that go with it, all of the past freebies. So you definitely just get a discount if what you're doing is wanting to buy that kit. That kit's $1 more in the Etsy shop. So just getting the membership, you get $1 off, but then you get all of the added bonuses. So why not just join the Coffee site? Okay, so the next level up is the Tribe membership, which that one is $5.99. And I just want to show you that this is part of what you get with the Tribe membership is it's a kit that has these basic papers, and they're all, this is the basicness of them. They're like this, really beautiful. I'm not sure how many of the plain ones I printed. Yeah, this is some of the basic background ones. So the Tribe level doesn't have these girls. It's a basic one because they look really nice together, which is a combination of, and then it's a junk journal kit that has a lot of tags, and I didn't print all of that up either because I'm just really trying to give you a very quick overview. The next level up is the Creatives, and this is one of the kits that's a gift from that. These are called numbered neutrals, these girls. Yeah, there's more of the background pages that go with the basic Tribe kit. I think I printed those on the back and then the girls on the front. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, so these are the girls here. And then this is the basic kit, just looks like this. So if you're not a girl person, which is what I really heard, is it's probably about 50-50. Some people really love the girls and a lot of people don't. So this is really nice because it's still a little bit feminine, but actually it's really grungy, and I actually think it's really beautiful paper. So this is the basic background. See those? Makes a lovely journal together. So Kim Myers has been working on something like this, and I've got a freebie I'm making up for her on this. So she's Artful Crafts. You can look for that in the coffee shop. So there you go. And just as a bonus before you go, another one of my favorite listings there that I have in the shop right now is these ones. It's called My Heart, and they're beautiful, like mother-daughters. Actually made them for Mother's Day, but it's got a lot of these vintage hearts on here too. I thought I'd release it now in case you had interest for Valentine's Day. So thank you for looking, and we'll see you in the next video.